Good morning, guys. We're going to take a look at our new spelling pattern for this week. The letters EAR make three sounds heard in earth, here, and bear. For today's lesson, you are going to complete page 113. Sort the sounds of EAR. Number 1, as in earth. Number 2, ear as in here. Number 3, air as in bear. For numbers 4 and 5, you will write the high frequency words. May and nothing. Don't forget to capitalize the M in May. It is the 5th month of the year. Our challenge words this week are themselves and November. Write your challenge words neatly at the bottom of your page. Don't forget to capitalize the N in November. For extra practice with your spelling words, write them neatly in your agendas. I hope you guys are having a great day.